Hello guys, in this video we will see what is Battlefields fail to initialize and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step of understanding the failed to initialize error content. The Battlefield's failed to initialize error typically signifies that the game encountered a critical problem during its initial startup sequence, preventing it from launching correctly. This general error message indicates that essential game components, such as core files, rendering engines, or necessary system resources could not be successfully loaded or accessed by the game application. It's not usually a specific bug, but rather a catch-all for various underlying issues that prevent the game from reaching its main menu or loading screen. Step by identifying common causes. Several common factors contribute to the fail to initialize error. These often include corrupted or missing game files, which can occur during download, installation, or due to drive errors. Outdated or incompatible graphics drivers are another frequent culprit, as they prevent the game from properly utilizing your boot. Furthermore, interference from antivirus software or firewalls blocking game processes, insufficient system resources, issues with the game's launching client, e.g. out for origin, or problems with DirectX and visual distributables can all trigger this initialization failure.
Step by initial troubleshooting, file verification, and driver updates. The first crucial steps in resolving the initialization error involve verifying the integrity of your game files and ensuring your graphics drivers are up to date. To verify game files, open the up or origin, navigate to your game library, right-click on Battlefields, and select the Prepare or Verify option. This process scans for and replaces any corrupted or missing files. Simultaneously update your graphics drivers by visiting the official website of your manufacturer, NVIDIA, or until downloading the latest stable drivers compatible with your operating system and performing a clean installation. Set web addressing, software conflicts and run times. If file verification and driver updates don't resolve the issue, focus on potential software conflicts and essential runtime components. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall to check if they are erroneously blocking the game's launch. Additionally, ensure both the up origin client and the Battlefield's executable are set to run as administrator. Verify that DirectX and visual distributables crucial for many game functions are installed and up to date. These are often found within the game's installation folder or can be downloaded directly from Microsoft's website. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up system resources.
Advanced solutions, reinstallation, and system integrity checks contained. When other solutions fail, a complete reinstallation of the game and the game client may be necessary. First, perform a clean uninstall of Battlefield, ensuring to manually delete any residual files or folders left behind in the installation directory and your documents folder. Then reinstall the game from scratch. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling the app or origin client itself, as a corrupt client can also prevent games from launching. Finally, run Windows system integrity checks like scan now and disable and clean up image restore health via command prompt as administrator to identify and repair any deeper operating system file corruptions.